Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best solar panels available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have ROCKPALS Solar Panel. The built-in smart IC chip intelligently identifies your device and maximizes its charging speed while protects your devices from overcharging and overloading. It is constructed of high-efficiency solar arrays convert up to 21.5 to 23.5% of solar power into free energy. It is made from durable Oxford cloth. The solar panel is water-resistant to endure all weather conditions, ideal for outdoor activities such as camping, climbing, hiking, picnic. The charging current of USB ports is monitored and automatically adjusted according to the sunlight level. Its folded dimensions is 20.5 times 14.2 times 2.6 inches. At number 4 we have Renogy Solar Panel. Renogy's 100 watts monocrystalline solar panel can provide an average of 400 to 500 watt-hours or 3341 amp-hours of electricity per day. This Renogy 100 watts 12 volts monocrystalline panel is made from high-purity silicon cells coated with advanced encapsulation material with multi-layered sheet laminations. It's to enhance cell performance and provide long-lasting durability. Corrosion-resistant aluminum frame provides extended outdoor use that ensures the panel can last for decades. The IP65 rated junction box is versatile due to its ability to withstand dirt, dust, debris and low-pressure water jets. At number 3 we have Goal Zero Solar Panel. For over a decade Goal Zero has paved a new way forward in portable energy use at home while traveling, and off-grid. The products are engineered with precision here in the US. Every feature has a purpose designed with a real-life use case in mind. The portable solar gives you the power to stay charged from the sun wherever you go. The 250-watt monocrystalline solar panels combine in a briefcase-style design for ultimate portability. It is built to last and survive. The Boulder 100 briefcase is made with an anodized aluminum frame with added corner protection and tempered glass covering, making it weatherproof. Its built-in kickstand lets you position the panels for optimal solar collection and stores a way to easily transport from place to place. Number 2 we have Renogy Solar Panel. The Renogy solar panels use grade A+ solar cells multi-layered sheet laminations to enhance cell performance and provide a long service life. This 100 watts solar suitcase is able to provide you with 500 watt-hours ideal output per day. The folding design minimizes in size, allows the suitcase can be easy to carry around or stored in any gap in your RV or van without taking much space. This portable solar suitcase can be a perfect choice for you to take with camping, RVing, traveling, etc. That's providing both convenience and dependability. At number 1 we have Goal Solar Panel. This 4 panels fold into case for easy storage. Hang loops to strap the panel anywhere. It is built-in 6 feet app charging cable integrates with most GZ Yeti portable power station. It is built-in legs to stabilize the panel while charging. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best solar panels for your need.